Welcome to the Brox and Max channel. Got this little parrot over my shoulder here. Going to make a quick trip down the street, check out a Brockway that just surfaced. It was on Auctions International recently. I thought it went to scrap, and I believe a scrapper did buy it. But luckily, there's people like me that are scrounging the earth trying to find these relic trucks and trying to avoid them from being turned into tin cans. So we're gonna go check it out. So tune in and check this out. So here it is. Gas powered. Does have power steering. It is in decent shape. Cosmetically, not bad. Little bit here, common, and here. Never seen these tanks before. They're very narrow. I have them on mine, but not that size. Rockwell rears. I think they're SQDD. 38,000. No, it's not. Must be SQHD. I thought they were top loaders. Interesting. Hendrickson suspension. Where's the back of the seat?
Right there.
Oh, there it is. All right. Let's see what the serial number is. $260 LQM 56709, I believe. Yep, 56709. So it's either a 59 or a 60.
59,
Brockway offered a foot pedal brake and a hand brake. That's for roadside assistance right there.
That auxiliary.
Yeah, I was going to say, this is a 5-speed, but it's not a 4-speed. It's just, so 5 and a 2 says direct and underdrive. Oh, this thing's a rare piece.
He's on it. Right over there now.
Why, you going to take scrap price for it?
Lost my trip.
That's all for the hobby.
Yeah. My hobby.
Got a pretty unique military fifth wheel. What do they call this? Oscillating?
Yep.
I've never seen a 260 LQ.
Is that what this is?
Yeah, with Hendrickson suspension and non-top load Brockway rears. Yep, clean single frame. Even that heavy duty K member in there isn't all split in between the tandems like it's normally doing it. It's a ratio. 6:17 ratio.
Ah, you're wrong. Let me say 433.
No, 6:17.
Hey, you look here.
Well, gasoline powered, they can do that. More RPMs, more speed. Milford, Massachusetts Incorporated. So this is a military spec. I can't remember how many were made that Brockway had on order for, I believe it was for the Navy. And probably a similar situation like what goes on today, that municipalities get their hands on these hand-me-downs, and then it goes to the public. So, sat around way northern New York for a long time. Hasn't been running about 10, 12 years. But it's a nice surviving piece. For any of you gasoline-powered people. This would be a pretty good-sized gasoline engine with a 4-inch pipe on it. Yeah, I don't understand the hood tie down, if that's factory or not. Maybe they were afraid of the high speed and overload that the hood was going to come apart. Huh. And it's the only 200 that I have ever seen when it's military ordered that you don't have external shutters. All you have is this. No matter if it's gas or diesel, because I've seen both.
You wouldn't think they had shutters on and somebody just put that on there?
No, that's original. I've seen factory
Really?
photos. The same identical thing.
Oh, okay. Well, I see it had a thing for a canvas on it.
Oh, yeah.
Snaps,
Yep.
canvas.
Yep. Yep. It's got good patina. I bet there's some linseed oil enthusiasts that would just love to shine this baby up and run it just the way that it is. But it has not been messed with at all. It's still got the original corner lights on the roof, exactly the way it came out of the factory. Can't tell. This sticker expires when. Massachusetts inspection sticker, but I just can't tell when its last maiden voyage was. Oh, there we go. It's got a lot of potential. Brockway 200 series, this was the only piece of wood that was involved in it, just a little piece of plywood. When they transition from wood frame cabs. That was the only wood left from the 200 series. Again, with these little tanks. Must have been a wheelbase option because it's so short. Make everything fit. So anyway, there it is. Don't know what the intentions are with this thing. Hopefully he keeps it original. Hope you enjoyed it. That's a wrap for this one. And I'll see you next time.